Are you ready for your first smoothie? Brain power! Oh my god, this is like one of my favorite ones because it has so many antioxidants and so many nutrients that when I have one of those days that I need to like really focus, be super sharp and do like a big project, this is the perfect smoothie for me. So we got the ingredients. I will start with my berries. So 1 cup blueberries, half a cup raspberries. I literally call this brain food because they're so filled with antioxidants. Now, XCT oil. I know a lot of people, they're like, oh, you just put coconut oil, that'll be good. This is way better because it's a concentrated of 2 of the most metabolized oils from coconut. So the way I look at it is if I put any calories in my body, I want to make sure that I have the highest nutrients per calorie. So I'll add a spoon of this. I'm going to be so sharp after this smoothie. Probably start a project. Okay, so goji berries. This you can find it in most stores. If it's hard for you, I would just go to Amazon or even Whole Foods. So you put 1 spoon of goji berries. They're filled with antioxidants as well, tons of vitamins. They also have potassium, so if you work out, it's great for muscle soreness. And my favorite, chia seeds. This is a great source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber. So I add a spoon of this. You know, a lot of runners, they actually eat this, like a handful of it. It's so good for you. And I got my spinach. It's the best part. Filled with magnesium. And 2 cups of water. Let the magic begin. Guess what? I forgot the banana. This is great as well because it's filled with potassium. And why eat dessert when you can have the natural sugar from banana? It's so yummy. Okay. Voila, the smoothie is ready. It's actually a little purple because of the berries, but who cares? It's so delicious. Where's my cup? So one thing I want you guys to keep in mind, I want you to blend the smoothie to a point that is like a pure paste, that you don't see any particles in it. So your body gets to do very little amount of work and just absorb the nutrients. Cheers!